All right, I'm going to show you how to use the EMS Electrotherapy Heating Cervical Spine Pillow. That is a mouthful. All right, if you notice, it's got these like little steel things here, a couple steel things here, a couple here. So this is where like the little electrical impulses will come through. But it's really squishy, you know what I mean? It's all soft, except for, these things are, feel hard because they're steel. If you go to the right side, you're going to see there's a control. To turn it on, you're going to see this middle button here. That's what you turn it on with. So you press that and hold it, and that light goes on. It's on 0 right now. So if I want it to work, I got to hit the plus sign here. If I hit the negative sign, I don't think anything happens, right? So if I hit the plus sign, it's going to go to 1, all right? So let's do that. You can see it shaking. If I set it down here, you'll see it's moving because it's vibrating. I don't know if you can see it in my hands. If I click it again, it goes to 2. Get more vibration, right? It's moving because it's just, there's no weight on it. Like if you got your neck on there, it's gonna, here's 3. Check it out. Look at, it's cranking, right? And I gotta tell you, man, it feels really good on your neck, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But that's basically how it works. It's just got 3 different phases. All right, I wanna just go ahead and hit this and turn it off for right now. All right, so now I wanna show you guys how to charge it. If you look down here, you're going to see there's a USB-C port. So to charge it, you need a USB-C, right? And I happen to have a whole bunch of them. I've got them connected to a block right here. And this, is plugged into 110. So for me to go ahead and charge this, what I would need to do is just get this smushed in there, right? So it's got to go right in there. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys, let's see if you guys can see it. Yeah, I think you can see it pretty good. It's USB, it's USB-C. So just know that it's a USB-C, right? So I'm just gonna turn it like this, and I'm gonna plug this in there for you guys so you can see. Let me move this just a tad bit over so you can get a better view of it. All right, so I gotta get it in there, right? This is a little hard to do too. I think the design was a mistake the way they did this. Let me make sure this is USB-C. Yeah, that's USB-C, that's USB-C. All right, so you really got to get to the side there and plug it in. Okay, there we go. So now I got it plugged in. Let me see what we got going here. So if you look, what it's doing is it's giving me these 3 little blinker things here. So if we leave that sitting there for a while, it should charge up pretty good. I'm gonna flip it over this way. All right, so we'll just go ahead and set it there, let that charge. Now I want to show you this. This is the remote control that comes with it, because when you're laying on it, it's kind of hard to reach around and squeeze it. So they give you this little remote control. So you got minus and plus, so that changes it from 1, 2, and 3. And then over here you got heat, you got pulse, and you've got vibration. So you can do, whatever you want with that. If you want the vibration, if you want it to pulse, if you want more heat, you hit that. If you want it to go up higher or lower, you hit that. And that's basically how it works. I've already pulled that little thing out of there that gives it, lets the battery contact it. The battery's in here. So if you have to change it, I think it's one of those like little silver ones. Let me see. Let's see if we can get it out. Yeah, so it's this is your battery that you need for it. It comes with one already. Let me see if we can see what the name of it is. All right, so this is a CR2025. So just remember, CR2025 is your battery if this thing runs out. If you need to get a new one, that's how you get it in and out. You just kind of pop it out of here. You got to kind of smush this over a little bit, and then it just loosens. So you got to kind of push this over, you know what I mean, jelly beans? And then you can get to the battery. And that's basically how that works, right? So let's go ahead and set that down. And then we're gonna wait for this to charge up. And once it's charged up, I'll go ahead and we'll try it out and see how she feels on the back of the neck. How's that grab you? All right, so anyway, I'm using her. There it is. And it feels good, man. I gotta tell you. Check it out. This side. This is what it looks like from here, from over here. You can see it vibrating good. And you can move your head around. You can bring it up a little bit higher if you want. Oh. Yeah. Feels good. I could fall asleep on this thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I try out awesome products like this thing.